So who are you? Well, estapador ka. So I want everybody there, pagka yung absent sa inyo ng ano, I will not give you a warning, 1, 2, 3, first offense, second offense, kalukuhan yan. I'll ask you to resign. I will ask the civil service to act on it also immediately. Or the ombudsman for that matter. Kasi ako, na-demanda ako ni Matubato, pati kami lahat ng gago. Alam mo, Matubato, ang galit talaga sa iyo yung anak kong Vice Mayor. Huwag lang sana magalit yung buang. Kasi sabi niya, from kindergarten to high school, siya daw ang bantay ni yung Vice Mayor ngayon sa Ateneo de Davao. Na hindi man yan nag-graduate ng Ateneo de Davao. Hindi man pag-aral ng Ateneo yan. Nalaman yan, PWC. Nag-graduate ka pala para sa eskwelahan ng mga babae. Galit na galit ko. The ombudsman is ready. Fine, investigate us. And if you think that something wrong, meet out the proper penalty. Pero ilahat mo, ma'am, kasi we are really in a bind. Nasa droga. You know, ayaw kong pumatay. I do not enjoy looking and seeing Filipinos that sprawled in blood. Gago ka kung ginusto mo yan para sa tao mo. Now, if this were only a problem of drugs, 10,000, 20,000, pwede pa akong, no, I can even be courteous to everybody and say, well, we'll just try to then rehab. But ang figure ni John Santiago, who's here, when he was a PDEA, he paid about 3 million, sir, to mga peg mo about 3 million. Sabi niya, there are 3 million addicts in this country. Ngayon sa term ko, hindi ko pa nilabas. But I am already nearing, I will breach the million mark. It's about 4 million drug addicts. That is really the existence of the country. Sabi ko nga naman basta may diferensya lang konti, okay ako. Wag lang yung bayan. Because i-compromise mo ang bayan, patayan talaga tayo. And anything, madruga o ano, I will not allow my country to go to the dogs. Mahirap yan. Ako ang nandito ngayon. Tingnan mo naman noon. And even before I was campaigning, I was already mounting that if you are a general involved in drugs, you better resign because I will name you publicly. And I did not fail you. I really fired about 7 generals. Now, even before I took my load of office, there was already a lot of killings. What do you think was really happening? Who was doing the cleaning? We? They have the power. They were already cleansing their to prevent. I called them about a month after. This is the strategy. So, a third of those really died in the encounter with the police. At aminin namin. And we give proof. So, bakit takutin natin I said, go out and hunt for them. Arrest them if possible. But if they resist arrest and offers a violent resistance, kill them. So what's wrong with that? And in Davao, when I was mayor, I said, if you are a drug pusher, if you are a drug lord, go out of Davao because mamamatay kayo. So what's wrong with that? And we said, dito, when I was already president, if you destroy my country, I will simply kill you. And if you deprive us of our generation of our young dito sa Pilipinas, talagang hihiritan kita. What's wrong with that? Human rights? Blah, blah. I will answer for that Wala. Basta sabi ko sa police pati military, do not do anything that is illegal. If you have to work, work well. At protektahan ko kayo. Na yung sa hulo, may insinuation ito yung asawa ni Samson. Pangalan niya. Basta yung asawa ni Samson. Yung gumanon sa poste. Oh, ay. Insinuation. Ako natuloy ang biggest drug protector na kanyang corona man yan. Huwag niya mo ibigay sa akin. Gaga. Palimaw talaga. Akin yun. I assure you, walang ano. May plano ako doon. Akin yun. Totoo yan. As Commander-in-Chief, wala akong agenda dyan sa drugs. Pinapatay ko nga kayo, maputang ina kayo. Huwag kayo magkamali dyan. Akin yun. May laro doon na gusto kong tignan. Gusto na, sabi ko, mapuputol yan. And do not do it because pati yung ibang pulis, ma-discourage na. Do you know the reason why in the past, alam ninyo to, bakit walang namamatay na drone? Bakit umabot ng 4 million yan? Nahiyaan, and the police, ayaw gumalaw. Kasi pag galaw ang pulis, magtanong ka ng pulis, tanong ka ng abogado ng pulis, pag dinimanda mo, magka-counter. Pag mag-counter yan, wala silang abogado, and if the case is already filed in court, suspended yan, pati sweldo, wala ng pagkain. Kaya ang pulis takot talaga. Magtanong ka ng pulis, ano kinatakutan ninyo? Kaso. Kasi left and right ang suspension. Dito sa akin panahon, wala. Basta magtrabaho ka lang. Well, of course, pati ka hold upper, kasali ka doon sa listahan. Talagang, kung pulis-pulisan dyan. Isali kita dyan sa, may warning talaga ako. Huwag kayong pumasok dyan, para kayo ng droga, yayariin ko kayo. Pero kung nagtatrabaho, ang pinakatakutan, ngayon, naging mayor ako, sabi ko magtrabaho kayo. Lahat naman talaga ng paranoia yan eh. You must have encountered 1 or 2 or 3 drug addicts. May paranoia, may baril talaga yan, may kutsilyo at the most. Lalaban yan. That's the reason why magpasyal ka ngayon. Ewan ko kung may mga addicts pa. Ba't ko konti na lang kasi sinabi ko, hoy, kayong mga, huwag kayong pa-istambay dyan sa kanto sa daan. Kung drug addict ka, confirm ka, you go out, do not go out. Stay inside your room and lock yourself. Yan ang payo ko sa pamilya. Pag makita ko yan sa labas, dadamputin ko yan. Tingnan ninyo. Nakikiusap ako noon na ayaw ninyong maniwala. Ngayon, brasuhan. Sige. Ngayon, at least the Filipino has recovered his right to use the streets. Lighted or not lighted. He must be able to ride in a bus safely without a police there. Yan ang gusto nating lahat. At yan ang mangyayari. Believe me, you're better off just obeying the law. Hindi ako. Yung lahat namang lumalabas sa bunga ako, there is a basis for the law. Ibalik ninyo yan. Huwag kayong dyan sa kanto-kanto. Maghintay kayo kasi talagang magagawa ako ng rehab. Now, I am releasing 1 billion para sa, in the meantime that you're waiting for a rehab, you go to the health o mga district hospitals o district health. I gave it to Tigualo, yung sa DSSD. I'm comfortable with any amount. Sabi ko, binigay ko na kaagad sa kanya. Na bilhin mo yung mga medisina. ng mga drug addicts. May mga tranquilizer yan. Diyan na lang kayo sa bahay ninyo muna magparehab. Huwag kayong magwala dyan sa daan kasi babantayan ko talaga. Sabihin ko talaga sa police, if you cannot maintain law and order yung sa assignment mo dyan, umalis ka. Lalagay kita doon sa hulo. Marami na akong nilagay sa hulo. Totoo. What about 4 of national officials? Nandoon na sa hulo ngayon. Ewan ko kung buhay pa ang mga animal. Korupsyon. Pati ang polis. Sigurado ka, Basila, no? Do not. Gusto ninyo ng, kayo mga Pilipino, maniwala tayo sa batas, ha? Ayaw ninyo ng ganon, eh. Sipa, pati, mahirap kasi, bayan ko to. Paski na ganito lang ako, galing lang ako Mindanao, para kaming mga ano doon, bayan ko pa rin to. Because my father is Cebuano. Although I have not lived in Cebu, not even for once. But this is my country and I love it. It's either we make it a country that's really ours, and we all behave to give the Filipino a chance to live in peace. Or, away tayo. And I'm ready for it. I'm ready for impeachment. Go ahead. Wala akong ano dyan. Kung ousted ako, okay lang. But let it not be said na sa panahon ko, hindi ko ginawa ang trabaho ko. That's all there is to me. I will be impeached. I will be, ousted. Fine. But, sabihin ko, makaintindihan lang tayo. Sa panahon ko, ginawa ko talaga ang lahat magawa ko. To stop corruption, lalo na corruption. We are like planes or aeroplano tayo na running full speed sa runway towards nearing the end of the runway. And yet, there is no lift. Kasi because of corruption. We could have done better in the old days past. Mas makaano pa tayo, but kasi yung corruption. Ayaw ko talaga yung corruption. So, may mga kaibigan ako nandyan and I am beginning to, sorry na lang. Ngayon nabigyan ko dyan sa do not ever think that that is a license just because we won. We won because we promised the people how to behave. If you cannot behave, then I am really sorry for you. Our friendship is not meant to be that way. Yung tamang tamang diskarte lang. Criminality, ganun rin. Ako, basta isauli ko talaga ang law and order sa daan. Whether you like it or not, talagang pipilitin ko. Ngayon, pagka pinilit ko, nandiyan ka pa rin, ginusto mo na talaga ang mangyari sa iyo. Druga. Maraming patayan daw, may salvaging extrajudicial. Gusto ninyong mahinto ito? O simple, hinto kayo lahat mga durugista pati. Stop it. And there will be a very peaceful New Year and Christmas Day. Huminto lang kayo. Pag hinto kayo, wala ka nang madinig na reaction sa amin. Stop. Gusto ko muna, stop it. Kayong mga critics, you're better off going into the neighborhoods and finding out kung sinong nandyan. Ito yung mga pare sa mga pare ninyo. Spend time with the people, go out, who are really affected. Then you're better off giving them the advice of how to seek treatment. Walang pera, wala akong rehab ngayon, except I said for that Chinese guy who built us a 10 facility. May God bless his soul. Talagang mabait. Wala ako niyan eh. Remember that pumasok ako dito midterm. Bottoms up nga sila eh. operating expenses lang. Next year, mayroon na ako sa budget. Kung sabi, bakit patay ni Duterte? Hindi na niya i-rehab. Hindi mo lang alam, Mare, na wala na akong mapasukan. Gusto mo, pati yung tulong na lang ko, yung bahay ninyo, mag-reserva kayo na yung mga mayaman. Mga mansyon, mga 4, 5, 6 ang kwarto. Bigay ninyo yung isa, adapt an addict, and see what happens. So that is my advice. Kulang ako kasi wala akong pera. I said I entered midterm. I'm operating on a budget that was prepared the other year. This is the budget of Aquino. And I'm sure when he was preparing that budget, he never really believed that ganito karami, by the tens of thousands surrendering to the police and to the barangay. Alam ko. So if you want kayong mga bleeding hearts, if you really want to stop the violence, ganon, mag-adapt lang. Adapt an addict. Share a love between your fellow men. Sige. Para malaman ninyo ang perdisyon ng isang drug addict. Kasi kung gusto ninyo, lahat yung sa tundo, unahin ko pag kayo na ang mamili kung saan ninyo gusto, sinong gusto ninyo doon. Babae, lalaki. Just the same. Kasi pag naloko yan, saksakin ngayon lahat, masakir ang labas. Kala ganun kadali.